the weight. Let's look at dependent variable. Dependent variable. So x is the dependent variable. While dependent variable. So look at dependent variable, the one that is not controlled. One not controlled, the y. Right? One that is not controlled. Sometimes this one is called, it's known as the response variable. Sometimes referred to as response variable. Sometimes referred to as a response variable. Right? For example, let me just give you this example so that I can explain the dependent variable and the independent variable. Right? Therefore, this is the independent variable. Therefore, when you have got this y, x, down here is the independent variable. Independent variable. Why? Why is independent variable? This is very, very. I'm saying this because the issue of independent variable and independent variable. You are going to deal with this after research with even Dr. Kandawiri who teach you the rest of things. Professor also able to teach you the rest of things. If you can't understand them now, it's going to be a problem. Right. So we are looking at this, the dependent variable, and this is the independent variable. When you talk about an independent, it means that it is a standalone variable. Variable that is standing alone. But the one that is changing from the standalone, the result that is coming out of the independent variable is what is called dependent variable. Let me just give you an example. Before we go to regression function, let me give you an example. An example is this one. When you have assuming you have this, y is equal to 3x plus 4. You know this? What you call this? Equation number what? Equation number what? Equation number where? This is called equation of a line. This is referred to as an equation of a line. Assuming this is an equation of a line. Right? And then out of that, you had something like this. I want to explain about independent and independent variable. Right? I don't know whether if you want, you can do that to so I hope you had X and you had Y. Right? I think it was something like that, right? Then this is your, right? Here. This is where you know a line. If you look at this one, it's a line, it goes like this. It's a line, right? And this line, it got y plus 4 here, right? You are either going this way or going that way, it depends, right? And this is the gradient, you know that, right? And this is the 4. Where it is coming to the y axis is the 4. It's here, right? Where it is going there, right? Because this is going to be gradient between 3 is the gradient, right? But our intercept, when you make x equals to 0, that's how we will start it, and that's at 0. Y intercept, that's at 4. So y-intercept is where the graph is touching the y-axis. Right? Right. Chisomo. You remember? Right. From there, yes, you remember X. Then I take the minus 2, minus 1, yeah, then 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Then put some clothes. Manapa. Yeah? I whatever. Because these numbers are not changing, we call them, they are independent what? Variables. You can't control. Because they are not changing, we call these as independent what? Variables. Independent variables. Right? The result. So what we do is, the result that will make this change when x is minus 2, you substitute there. Assuming x is minus 2. 3 times minus 2, negative 6. 3 times minus 2. To substitute, where there is x, you put is this one. Negative 6. Negative 6 plus 4. Negative 6 plus 4. Negative 2. Subtractions are coming from the bigger number. 3 times 2 is 6. Side is negative. Side is negative 6. Plus 4, you subtract the 2. Side comes from the bigger one? Number. So it is subtract is the 2 bigger number is this, right? So side is like this one. We have to where I was going to say, I think I don't want to go out. I'm not doing that. So minus 2. When x is minus 1, 3 times minus 1? It's minus 3. Yes. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4. Positive 1. Mau dah? Kan mau positive. Cuma mana kan juga jadi positive. Let's put this there. If this is 0, all this will be 0, right? 0 plus 4, 2. Huh? 4. Take this to be 1. X to be 1. 3 times 1. Plus this one. 7. This one is saja 3, right? Dan saja saja. 10. What is the 3? Because it is 3 and 6, 9. 9 plus 4, 16. Right? Now, what is happening is this? When x is minus 2, y is minus 2. When x is minus 1,
What is wrong?
this is y, this is x. When x is minus 1, y is 1. Hey, assuming y is 1 is this. Then, when x is 0, y is what? 4. They will write that is the only way of calculation. Hey, because when x is 1, y is 7. When x is 2, y is 8. So it's going to pass like this. Right? Come on, can you tell us something? Can you get it? What is changing about our and y? Value has multiples. Therefore, we are independent. I didn't die. But this one will depend on this one. Therefore, because this one will depend on this one. Therefore, this is dependent variable. So this one is dependent variable. The y is always dependent variable. The x is dependent variable. I want just to do what the last one. Now let's look at the regression function. Let's go to regression function. regression function. So, if you look at this example here, let's kuti munthu ukhalize, it depends on assuming chirekeze kukula kwa mwana, the growth of the baby. Let's look at that. Growth of the baby. Growth of the baby. Growth of the baby will depend on several factors. The one which one will depend on several factors. Let's look at that. One, food. Very good. Two, mkulima na kwa sababu ni mindset. Sasa ni mafoni huko. Mafoni makora nao kwa usiku bila kule. So, food hena kija nyamole iyo mambo nyambo. Na usiku now, we have food. Another one for the baby to grow, to come intelligence. Yeah, right, brother. Love, alright. Grow up, love, right? And let's look at the environment. Let's go into the environment, right? Another one for the baby to grow up well. Education. Okay. That's pretty well. One line is managed. What will happen to the growth? Stagnant. You see? Mana mumane love. What happens to the growth? It has an impact on the growth, right? So whatever you are doing here, it has an impact on the other. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are doing here, it has an impact on the other one. Which one are control variables? What they are control what? Variables. These are the ones that you can control them. You can give food, you cannot give food. You can give love, you cannot give love. You can give environment, you cannot give environment. The one that you are controlling are different. Right? So if these are controlling variables, what do you call them? Is it independent variable or independent variable?
Independent.
Independent. The one that you are able to control, the one that you can give them or you cannot give them. You can give them, you cannot. These are independent what? Independent variable. What about the growth of the baby? It is independent variable. So these are dependent variable. The whole depends on this one, right? And this one is independent what? Variable. What are you changing to this? The result is standing. Will be from there. Alright. I think you'll be learning this from other, but I'm not talking about that right now. What I'm talking about is I'm looking at regression function. Let's go to regression function. You should not run away from this is quantitative techniques. Where we are looking at mean, mode, median, and standard deviation. And then today, we are now looking at regression. Right? So I think our knowledge, our mentality shouldn't go astray, but not to go there. Now, let's go to regression function. Regression function. Regression function. My question. Now, look at regression function. Regression function, it is taken as a mathematical relationship between the variables. So, where now, if you draw a scatter diagram, you can now look for a mathematical relationship between the variables. I.e., where you have drawn scatter diagrams, you can identify the relationship between variables. That is, y is equal to function of x like this. is referred to as regression function. F is referred to as regression function, known as regression function. So what do we mean here? In any standard diagram, you are in other words, what is changing there is this function. So y is assuming y is equal to 2x plus 3. This is the same as f of x. Where this is referred to as the regression function. So, this is the equation of a line, right? Yeah. This is an equation of a line. Now, equation of a line, y is equal to x plus 3, which was y is f of x. If you write y is the same as f of what? X. You are substituting where there is what you are putting, assuming that your x is 2. So, y can be f of 2, f of 0, f of 4. What is changing? My x term. And whatever is changing this term, what is changing the other x term? And then when you change, it is affecting the other side. When you eat, it is affecting the other side. Therefore, if you look at this equation of a line, and then if you do when y is the same as f of x, you can say f of x is equal to x plus 3. Therefore, this will now be changed to as the regression equation. So this is what is called a regression function or regression equation. Therefore, regression equation, it takes the format f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. This is what is called regression function. Why regression function? Because whatever you are substituting with this one, assuming f of 2 is going to be 2 times 2 plus 3. Assuming this is f of 0 is going to be 2 times 0 plus 3. If this is your function here. F of minus 1 is going to be 2 times minus 1 plus 3. You understand what I'm doing here? Good, right? Yeah. So, our main function is this one. This is referred to as our main function. And that function is known as the regression what? Function. So that is what is called regression function. Now, because that is the regression function, we are now substituting from, remember, we had something like this. We have x, y, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Right? If our regression function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, right? So what if this is f of minus 1? You can get it as a. What if it is f of 0? Where is 0? You can put the answer there. What if f of 1? It is going to be 5. F of 2 is going to be 7. F of 0 is going to be 3 here. F of minus 1 is going to be 1 here. When you substitute, when you use your mathematics, I think you can do it like that. So, what is happening here? This is what is called regression function. Now, let me talk about linear correlation and regression line. Let's look at the linear correlation and regression line. Linear correlation and regression line. I'm saying I'll be very fast because I have to finish off what I want to finish. Because it's better time. But what you can do is when you move out of this class, can you move? You are using internet for the school and you can do regression and then it's going to teach you something. Or go to YouTube. YouTube you can find it. You can find what I'm doing. Go to YouTube. What's the number of it? WhatsApp, social media. Why can't you sometimes chat on YouTube? Now let's look at the linear correlation and regression line. Linear correlation and regression line. Right? Consider the simplest terms of regression where you have got y is equal to f of x. Consider this to be a function, as I've already said. So this function is referred to as a straight line. It's referred to as a straight line. Consider that one. Y is equal to f of x. Till we investigate. Till what? Till we investigate. University. Consider that y is equal to f of x. Well, we are looking at that. If you have got y is equal to f of x, it's the same as I actually said, y is equal to x plus 1. This is a straight line, right? So this function is the same as y is equal to f of what? X. That's what I'm saying. That is a straight line. It's a straight line. Now, if you consider that to be a straight line, then, right, what it means there that you have only two areas there. If the points on the scalar diagram appear to be line. Because in the linear correlation, you are looking at that must be a line. Right? Right. Assuming you assuming you go because in a linear correlation, the way the linear is line, right? The linear correlation, there must be a line. In linear correlation, there must be y and what? And x. Now, let's do what this. We have approach. We have plotted something. This is y and this is x. Right? You have plotted. Yes, when you plot, sometimes you can plot my daughter. You find that you have plotted the daughter like that. Right? Assuming you have plotted it like that. Right? So if you plot it like that, what you have to do, take a ruler. Right? You take a ruler, right? So, take a what? A ruler. And when you take a ruler, just to connect the ruler, draw a line. Passing between the points out, right? And when you draw that, when you pass that one of the points, we call what we have done is the regression line. This line is called the regression what? That's what? That's what? What do you call that? Regression what?
We just put a line in between the lines.
I know. I don't know if you are using an eye. People that know how this inferior area. Everywhere I want to know how they get people on. Come on, this is the regression line. You know that from a point. Come on, people will put it in the line. Get a sheet of it, right? Come on, that is what it's called regression what? Okay, that is makosa hapo kwa Yesu. If you want makosa hapo kwa Yesu. What you can do is move the rula jambo. Can just say just draw use an eye. If you are to draw use an eye, you can say use an eye. Move the rula asili kwa ndani makosa. Just right? And sometimes you are going to be God is perfect. If sometimes it is perfect. It has no pattern at all. So what does that mean? This is the positive correlation. So this is the balance for positive what? Correlation. Positive correlation. And this one is negative. Negative what? Correlation. We are using an eye. But there is no correlation. No correlation at all. Sometimes no correlation is referred to as zero correlation. These are three types of correlation. So this is negative correlation. Positive correlation, it goes to positive. Negative correlation goes like that. And the other one is zero what? Correlation. Now, when it is positive correlation, what does that mean? As y increases, so do x. When you are so this one as y increases, x increases too. As y increases, x increases too. As y increases, x increases too. In other words, as y tends to increase, x again. What is happening here? That y change, you will not manage. Assume this is 4, this is 5. Baada ya katosh, uyusa mkweli. Ukawaza as you are getting one, uyusa mkweli. So what is happening? As you are increasing x, as you are increasing y, x is something you are increasing too. When you increase it, the other side you increase it. That is what we call it positive correlation. While negative correlation, in negative correlation, as y tends to decrease, x will increase. We are decrease. We are increase. As y tends to decrease, as we are decreasing y, x increases. But we are x ukapakuya kusimamia decreasing y, x as a y there, x increases. So it is x that is decreasing, but this one is decreasing. So when you are decreasing y, x increases. So as you are increasing, but in this one, when you increase, if you increase y, again this one goes like this, it increases. But in this situation, as you are decreasing y, x will tend to go the other side. While here, there is no relationship at all. No relationship at all. There is no relationship at all. Is there any relationship between height of a very height of a student in standard 1 and intelligence? There is no correlation. Height, the height, the intelligence. There is no correlation. That is zero correlation. Is there any correlation between is there any correlation between what is the correlation? If you are born from a family where your father is a pastor, kids are getting to be pastors, is that? There is no correlation. Oh, so If babu badala abusa abupini anaso atakabusa anatakabusa. Is there any solution? Gadimai iba baya ana bila kuivesta na soda kuivesta. There. All right. Is there any correlation? Let's say, is there any correlation between driving a car and the money that you have? Sorry? Yeah. Is there any correlation between driving a car and the money that you have in the car? No. You can have a lot of money, but you can't drive a car. Activity on me, alright. Is there any correlation between dressing and intelligence? No. Someone can dress well, but cannot be having intelligence. But there must be, knowledge, but intelligence and to have screen, have a TV at your home. Then intelligent and having TV at your home. Yeah? Are you sure? There's no? They have TVs. Right? Now, we have seen that we have got positive correlation, we have got negative correlation. Now, can we give examples where we can talk about it? Our day-to-day examples where we have positive, when you increase something, the other side again it goes like that.
Wearing glasses.
Wearing glasses.
Intelligence.
When you is that any correlation? You have where is that intelligence? But if you I'm not about this. When you increase the other side, the other one increases. When you decrease the other side, the other one decreases.
Okay. Both sides decrease. Okay. More income equals more profit.
More when you increase, more capital. With more capital.
Increase.
Profit. When you increase more capital, more profit. When you reduce the capital, less profit. Yeah. So that is it. Or another one, when you eat more, you become fat.
That's what I can. Ask me and so I will tell you.
Okay. But now, where do you have this scenario when you feel that
Okay, that means
the more hours you wait, the more salary you get.
The more hours you study,
The more intelligent you become. Are you sure?
that's what I'm saying now. Because you and first year
You can read it, without reading, you can read it once you go.
okay, the more you explore, the more you think.
The more you explore, the more
You think.
add this. The more you wait, the more money you get.
The more experience.
no, that's not
Huh?
that's very important.
The more experience.
The more experience you get, whatever you get more.
The more you wait,
The more experience.
the more expensive you become. Alright. The less you wait, the less expensive you become. This is let's read. The example let's read.
The higher the temperature, the lesser the water.
The higher the temperature.
The lesser the water.
Are you sure?
Yes, evaporation.
The higher the temperature, the less the water. Yes. 12. Tapi ada nanti selalu dia apa di semua. Cina dia. Awak saya ada dia punya, dia lebih luas.
The more you practice,
The more you practice,
the more you become better.
the more you become effect. Different. Ini bukan bagi yang pun, nak kan?
Okay, the more you spend,
The more you spend,
the less you have.
oh, the more you spend, the less you have. Ah, very good. Ah, yes. Papa itu saja. For example, can you give practical examples on it? Positive correlation, negative correlation. Yeah, the more you spend, the what?
The less you have.
The less you have. Lord. Now that zero correlation.
No relationship
There is no relationship.
between the lines and
Is there a relationship between sex of a person and intelligence? That's zero. Correlation. There is no correlation that you are a man or you are a female. Right? Or there is no correlation. Yeah. So that's zero correlation. In other words, there is no connection. Right? There is no connection. There is no correlation. Is there a correlation between age and become rich? You can become rich while you are young. There is no correlation. There is no correlation. Right? Now, let me explain about this line. You remember that what is this? There are many people jump back. But they are saying you can use what is called an eye. What I have done there is an eye. Right? Now this line is what is called a line of basic feet. It's called line of what? Line of basic feet. This line is what is called line of basic feet. If you are to divide what is line of basic feet, it is a line that demarcates the point x and y. That's what is called line of basic feet. Right? Now, but allow this is the point now. They are the points x and y, right? Assuming these points are like this, because then I'm going to point the r. Right? X and y. When x is 4, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 1. When x is 7, so these are the points that you draw them here. When you draw them, then use the pencil you draw. When x is 0, y is 2. So you draw like that. So this line is what is called line of basic feet. The first one is line of basic feet. Line of basic feet. Right. For you to draw line of basic feet, mulima number. Assuming this is x minus 2 minus 2 minus 1, x is 0, 1, 2, 3, and then you have a number here. This line, for you to identify this line, there are no unique numbers. For you to identify this line, why can't you choose a point? One point within that where you need to have what is called x bar, y bar. When x bar, y bar. What is this one? What does that mean? X bar, y bar. 1 point. Average of all the x's. You know what that means? Eh? You don't know. You know average. You add all the numbers divided by how many they are. Hey, mean. Taiwan to mean. Mean. You add all the x's and divide by how many they are. 6. They go back to sport. So this point are. But then within you find what is x. When x is the x bar, assuming x bar is 4, y bar is 5. It means you find x. Where there is x? Okay, this is the 4. 4 is here. Here it's going to be 5. It's going to be there. Then thereafter, one of the points here, where you have got x bar, y bar, it has to lie in between the line of space to feet. You know what bivariate data means? Data consists of x and what? Bivariate. Right? Never add data x, data gani, ya y. Never present mean ya x, never present mean ya gani, ya y. Never answer awili wakana na mamasu alipo ikibozi. Never mene popo baiba. Point ya line ya ndio sabadibo. Ile sekondari kidogo. Baiba x bar y bar. It's going to where your x is going to be. Right? With the rest, that is a Jeremiah. Where it is, that is just what we want to see, but we are not done. We are not done. We want to find the equation of a line. Where now, of this regression line. This is what is called regression line. So we have found x bar, y bar to be within that. So that point, but this line, what are we saying that is this line? This line is called line of base what? Base pitch. This line is called line of base pitch. Then within that line you can use an eye. You can draw using an eye. So the only thing is, why can't you find x bar, y bar? And that x bar, y bar, what it means is you are finding mean for all the x's and you are finding mean for the y. Then you have one point, and that point should be pointing there, and that is your line of best fit to pass. So line of best fit, that point, for everybody, x bar or y bar is sustainable. But the other time we don't know. It's when now when we meet next week, we want to find where will the line be. But today we are showing where we have got what is called x bar, y bar, and then you can have line of best fit. Okay,
Above, my values are x values.
We call you drawing using an eye. So you draw them as what they are. But actually our aim is not to use an eye. We want to draw an accurate line of base speed, which we are going to do when we meet next week. Because our next week we are going to to come up with the same situation. Because this method that we have drawn here, drawn by an eye. If I ask you in an exam, can you use an eye to identify line of base speed? They can just draw. Use an eye, right? Poi la sulla guardia di arrivare troppo, perché ci gusti pagare, poi diventa che ci poco, ci usa quella ci gusti pagare. Aja pola poi nada guna. All people Muslim, right? But for that one, there is no correlation, there is no relationship. So it's very, very difficult for you to grow that. Right? Yeah. Nimalize I want to look what what we meet next week? When we meet? When we meet?
Next week?
Man. Huh? Yeah, man. Will you man one?
Yeah, man.
I'm a fine man like that. At the end, maka hiyo maneno maisha. Hivi kama kasini. Sikuona kasini mwae watu. Kwa sababu na nini? Kwa sababu Tikani we want. There would be Tikani more we want. Tiki want. There now we want Tikani now. So you dig now the simply and delegate paper dapat nos. Then actually, end of that, especially that was the last period for the last year. They that's where you have what's happening. They that's how muscle, right? They muscle the body. Moment of my soul, muscle. Dia baru. Dia no ini sebenarnya ini nasi mau. Umaina masih ada ada cuci ini cara. Dia udah mama dalam dia itu win by the win ya. So dia ada uji
masih nak cari.
Zaman itu jamaah sebagai how we got the regression line. I just have to change. Coba sampai. Oh, dia pakai how to calculate the regression line and how to do the regression line. Next week will be. Oh,